Hello seller friends. Today I'm going to tell you how you can upload products after becoming a seller on Diho. Click on upload product option, then you can see like this type of interface. Now you can see that there are boxes with a plus sign. These boxes are meant for uploading your products. For example, I am uploading a sari in one of the boxes just like this. You have to upload your own products by clicking on the plus sign and selecting your product images. Follow the same process for each item you want to add. After uploading your product images, the next step is to enter the product title in the designated field. In this section, you need to clearly mention what type of product it is and also provide the name of the product. For example, if I am uploading a sari, I can write something like Banarsi Silk Sari 100% Cotton Sari for Women. This helps customers understand what you are selling at a glance and makes your product look more professional. Now it's time to enter the price and stock details of your product. You will see 3 boxes. In the first box, you need to write the marked price, MRP. This is the original price of the product before any discount. In the second box, enter the selling price. This is the price at which you want to sell the product to customers. In the third box, mention the stock quantity, the number of pieces available in your store for this product. Make sure all the information is accurate so that your product listing is clear and trustworthy for buyers. Next, you need to write a clear and detailed description of your product in the product description box. You can either type the description manually, explaining the features, material, size, usage, and any special details about the product, or, to make it easier, you can simply click on the Diho AI button and it will automatically generate a product description for you. A good product description helps customers understand your product better and increases the chances of making a sale. Now, you need to fill in the product specifications section. In this part, you should provide detailed information about your product, such as material composition, example cotton, silk, polyester, length or size, style or pattern, example traditional, modern, printed, occasion, example casual, party wear, festive, country of origin, and any other relevant features that describe the product clearly. Make sure to include only the details that match the type of product you are selling. This information helps customers make informed decisions and builds trust in your listing. Next, you need to choose whether you want to offer free delivery for your product or not. You will see an option asking if you want to provide free delivery. If you wish to offer free delivery to your customers, click on Yes. If you do not want to provide free delivery, simply click on No. Offering free delivery can often attract more buyers, but the choice is completely yours based on your pricing and profit margin. Make sure to select the option that suits your business strategy best. Now, you need to select the appropriate product category that best matches the item you are uploading. For example, if I am uploading a sari, I should choose the category like women's dress and kurti or any other category that fits my product. Just like that, depending on what you are selling, whether it's clothing, accessories, or beauty products, you need to select the most relevant category from the list. Choosing the correct category helps customers find your product easily and ensures that it appears in the right section on the Diho platform. Now, you need to enter the brand name of your product. If your product belongs to a specific brand, type the exact brand name in the given field. However, if your product does not belong to any brand or is locally made without a brand label, simply write No Brand. Now, you need to write the meta title for your product. The meta title should be the exact name of your product, clear, specific, and keyword-rich. This title plays an important role in helping your product appear in Google search results and makes it easier for customers to find your product online. For example, instead of just writing sari, you can write red silk sari for women festive wear, to improve visibility and ranking. A well-written meta title increases your chances of getting more views and sales. Now, write a meta description, a short and clear summary of your product. It should include key details like the product type, material, use, or occasion. This helps your product show up in Google searches and attract more customers. Example: red silk sari for women, perfect for weddings and festive wear. Soft fabric and elegant design. Keep it short, relevant, and keyword-rich for better visibility and ranking, or simply click on the Diho AI button to generate the meta description automatically. Finally, you need to write the URL for your product page. The URL should be short, simple, and closely related to your product name. This makes it easier for search engines like Google to index your product and improves your chances of appearing in search results. After filling in all the required information, scroll down and click on the Save button located at the bottom of the page to securely save your product details. After saving the product, you can view it by clicking on the View on Website button located at the bottom of the page. Alternatively, to manage all your products, click on the Inventory section. Here, you can see a list of all the products you have saved, and from this list, you can easily view or delete any product as needed. I hope you've understood everything easily. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.